Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Jenkins Certification Training Course. Lecture 5. In this lecture we will learn about Jenkins integration with version control systems, integrating Jenkins with Git, configuring webhooks, automated builds, managing branches, pull requests. Conclusion. Integrating Jenkins with Git. Are you tired of the endless cycle of manual builds and testing? Do you want to streamline your development process and increase efficiency? Look no further than Jenkins and Git integration. By combining these powerful tools, you can automate your builds and testing, saving valuable time and effort. Imagine being able to focus on coding instead of tedious build processes. That's the power of Jenkins and Git integration. And the best part? It's easy to get started. Configuring webhooks. Webhooks are a powerful tool for automating your development workflow. They allow you to trigger automated builds in Jenkins whenever changes are made to your repository in Git or other version control systems. To configure webhooks, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. First, navigate to the settings page for your repository and locate the webhooks section. Next, add a new webhook and specify the URL for your Jenkins server. Finally, configure the webhook to trigger on the appropriate events, such as push or pull requests. Automated builds. Automated builds are an essential part of modern software development. By automatically building and testing code whenever changes are made to the repository, developers can catch errors early and ensure that their code is always in a working state. Jenkins is a powerful tool for automating builds and can be configured to work with a variety of version control systems, including Git. With Jenkins, developers can set up automated build pipelines that include building, testing, and deploying code. This not only saves time and effort, but also helps ensure that code is always of high quality. Managing branches. In Git and other version control systems, branches can be used to facilitate collaboration and manage code changes. By creating separate branches for different features or bug fixes, developers can work on their changes without affecting the main codebase. Once the changes are complete and tested, they can be merged back into the main branch. Jenkins can be configured to build and test code from different branches, allowing developers to ensure that their changes do not break the build or cause errors. Best practices for managing branches include naming conventions, regular merges with the main branch, and code reviews to ensure quality and consistency. Pull requests. Pull requests are an essential part of the development process, allowing teams to review and merge code changes with confidence. By integrating Jenkins with pull requests, you can automate the build and test process, ensuring that changes are thoroughly tested before they are merged into the main branch. This can significantly improve code quality and reduce errors, leading to a more efficient and reliable development workflow. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating Jenkins with Git and other version control systems can greatly improve the development workflow. By automating builds, testing code changes, and managing branches, teams can save time and effort while also improving code quality. Additionally, using webhooks and pull requests can further streamline the process and increase collaboration among team members. We encourage you to explore these tools further and continue learning about how they can benefit your development process.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.